If you're watching this at 3 a.m., you're already ahead of 99% of people, but what I'm about to reveal will either make you incredibly successful or you'll ignore it like everyone else. The choice is yours. Before we dive in, comment 3 a.m. if you're serious about changing your life. And if you stay until the end, I'll give you the exact 30-day blueprint that transformed my life. Here's what nobody tells you about successful people. While you're scrolling TikTok at midnight, billionaires are following what I call the 3 a.m. rule. But here's the twist. It's not what you think. In fact, 73% of people who learn this rule quit within the first week. Will you be part of the 27% who stick with it? Keep watching to find out. 2 years ago, I was broke, depressed, and living in my mom's basement. I had $47 in my bank account and zero direction in life. Then I discovered this rule by accident at 3 a.m. while researching successful entrepreneurs. What happened next changed everything. But first, let me ask you something, and be honest in the comments. How many times have you started something and quit within a week? If it's more than 3 times, this video is specifically for you. The 3 a.m. rule isn't about waking up at 3 a.m. That's what amateurs think. It's about something much more powerful. It's about the 3 actions, 3 minutes, 3 affirmations principle that rewires your brain for success. And here's proof it works. First, the 3 actions. Every morning before checking your phone, you must complete these 3 specific actions. Action number 1 will shock you. Number 1, write down 3 things you're grateful for, but with a twist. They must be things that haven't happened yet. Number 2, do 3 minutes of visualization, but you must feel the emotions, not just see the images. Number 3, take 3 deep breaths while saying your biggest goal out loud. But here's the secret sauce that makes this different from every other morning routine. The 3 minutes part is where most people fail. They think it's about meditation. Wrong. It's about the 3-minute rule of discomfort. Every day, you must do something that makes you uncomfortable for exactly 3 minutes. Could be a cold shower, calling someone you've been avoiding, or working on that project you keep procrastinating on. Studies show that after 3 minutes, your brain releases chemicals that make you addicted to growth, but only if you do it right. Now, the 3 affirmations part is where it gets interesting. 89% of people do affirmations wrong, which is why they don't work. But when you do them the way I'm about to show you, your subconscious mind has no choice but to believe them. Here's how. Regular affirmations are weak because they're not specific enough. Instead, use the S.M.A.R.T. affirmation formula. Specific. I earn $10,000 per month, not I am wealthy. Measurable. Include exact numbers and dates. Achievable. Stretch goals but believable to your subconscious. Relevant. Connected to your deepest desires. Time-bound. By December 31st, 2025. But here's the game changer that took me from $47 to 6 figures. Everything I just shared is powerful, but it's only 30% of the formula. The remaining 70% is what separates the dreamers from the achievers, and I'm about to give it to you for free. But first, if this is helping you, smash that like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more people who need to hear this message. The missing 70% is what I call the accountability amplifier. Here's what you do. Week 1 to 2, foundation phase. Document your 3 a.m. rule practice daily. Share your progress in the comments. This creates public accountability. Find one person to be your 3 a.m. rule partner. Week 3 to 4, acceleration phase. Increase the difficulty of your 3-minute discomfort challenge. Add 1 new skill that aligns with your goals. Create a visual progress tracker. But here's where most people mess up. They think motivation is enough. It's not. You need a system that works even when you don't feel like it. And that's where the 30-day blueprint comes in. I'm about to give you the exact day-by-day plan that transformed my life and the lives of over 10,000 students, but only if you're still watching. Here's your complete 30-day transformation blueprint. Days 1 to 10, identity shift. Master the basic 3 a.m. rule. Track your consistency percentage. Identify your success identity. Days 11 to 20, momentum building. Add advanced visualization techniques. Implement the compound growth method. Create your success environment. Days 21 to 30, breakthrough phase. Apply the exponential results formula. Master the art of strategic discomfort. Lock in your new successful identity. But remember, knowledge without action is worthless. So here's what you need to do right now. First, comment 3 a.m. rule if you commit to trying this for 30 days. I personally read every comment and will hold you accountable. Second, subscribe and hit the bell icon because I'm creating a follow-up video showing the results of 100 people who tried this rule. You don't want to miss that. Third, share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Success is better shared. And if you want to see the dark psychology techniques that billionaires use to stay motivated even when everything goes wrong, click on this video right here. It's controversial, but it works. Remember, your future self is counting on the decisions you make today. Don't let them down. The 3 a.m. rule changed my life. Now it's your turn. See you in the next video, future millionaire.